Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn alphabet. So let's go kids. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cup. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for fox. G is for gorilla. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J is for jellyfish. K is for kettle. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nut. O is for orange. P is for panda. Q is for queen bee. R is for rabbit. S is for strawberry. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for fan. W is for watermelon. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. J is for zebra. Bye bye kids.